campaign to.
Welcome back. With me today is Tony Variant from the Hearing Well Club, and coming up next week, a week from today, as a matter of fact, will be their meeting, and you're going to be having a guest speaker that is going to be talking about how drugs can cause hearing loss, right? Mm-hmm. So tell me about that.
Well, yes, I'm so excited to have Dr. Doherty from USC, the Keck School of Medicine, and she's going to be talking about the types of drugs that can actually rob you of your hearing. If you have a chronic condition, there are a lot of prescription medications, over-the-counter medications, and even supplements that can cause hearing loss. Now, sometimes that hearing loss can be temporary, and when you stop taking the medication, your hearing loss goes away. But so much of it is can rob you permanently. So she's going to be identifying the different classifications of drugs that you should be wary of. Many times, if you're taking that drug and you find out it's ototoxic, you can talk to your physician and maybe find something else. It may turn out that you can't take any other kind of medication, but at least you're aware, and maybe you can find a way to minimize the effects. So, and she's going to talk about that.
Now, are there specific types of drugs that will always cause this for people?
There are classifications of drugs. Even aspirin can cause hearing loss. It depends on the frequency and the dosage, and don't ask me what that is, because I'm not the expert.
It depends on the person, obviously. So she's going to talk about this, and I have certainly heard of the Keck School of Medicine. Is this something that she specializes in?
Yes.
So is she a pharmacist?
She's an otolaryngologist.
Okay.
She's like an ENT doctor, and she's an associate professor there. And so I've seen her present this topic before, and that's why I invited her.
Yeah.
That's why I invited her.
Yeah.
But I want to say that you know, all of my notifications indicate, you know, or go out to people with hearing loss. But really, anybody here in Laguna Woods should come, because eventually, if you live long enough, you will develop hearing loss, or you're taking medications that could cause hearing loss. So this should not be targeted just to people with hearing loss already. You certainly, if you have hearing loss, you don't want to lose any more. But everybody is welcome to come, and I hope everybody does not come because we don't have enough room.
Right.
But I think this is going to be a very well attended.
I think it's a good discussion.
Yeah.
Now, do you suggest people to not bring their drugs, but perhaps maybe they could take pictures of them or something? So if they come there, they could go, you know, I'm taking this and this, and I'm noticing that. That way she can go.
Well,
maybe
take pictures of it. Just write down the name and the dosage. If they want.
Sometimes the names are so long
that's why you have to write it down.
Yeah.
And because of my hearing loss, even if I hear the name of the prescription, I may not be able to pronounce.
Right.
So write it down. Yeah.
All right. Well, I wouldn't be able to pronounce them anyway. So, but yeah, no, that's what I thought. If they took a picture and they can't pronounce it, they can show her and she can look at it and then say, yeah, this can cause, or, but again, as you said, it depends totally on the person.
Yes.
Yeah.
Some people are more sensitive than others. But again, be aware that over-the-counter medication can cause a problem. Aspirin, all kinds of over-the-counter medications, and some supplements. Some nutritional, come under the category of nutritional supplements. So this will be a really good topic.
Okay, all right, so that is next Tuesday, a week from today, on March 12th at Clubhouse 3 at 1:30 the doors will open. And do they need to RSVP or just show up?
You can just show up. I do, new this year is, if you're not a member, is a $3 guest charge at the door.
All right, if you have any questions, very easy, hearingwellclub@gmail.com. And then Tony gets that and she can respond.
Yeah.
Good to see you.
Good to see you. Thank
And
you.
remember, next week.
Next week.
Take care.
Thanks,
Bye-bye.
Ken.